How to add friends on Bilibili. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, go to the home page and use the search bar at the top to look for the user you want to connect with. After you find the user from the search results, simply tap on their profile to open it and view their details such as posts, followers, and other activities. On the profile page, tap the follow button, and once you do this, you will instantly be connected to them. By following a user, you will start receiving their updates, videos, and posts directly in your feed. And they will also appear under your chat section, making it easier to keep up with your activity. This way, you have successfully added someone as a friend by following them on Bilibili, since following is the main way to connect with other users on the platform. Now you know how to add friends on Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.